Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Thank you very much for your like. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. For those who just tuning in, I am Eleftheria and I have a blog called eleftheriabusinesspr.com. Digital marketing expert, strategies and PR. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a couple of strategies to grow a passive income online, even on YouTube or Pinterest or in other platforms. There's always a strategy you need to follow and have a plan of how to grow your business. At the moment, you might be new, you might don't have, services, or you don't have enough following. That doesn't matter, because you're never going to grow your business and you're never going to grow your following if you just, waiting to get the numbers. You do the work and then obviously you get the numbers, because it's always anything you do in sales or in business is money. It's always numbers game. So you need the numbers. So let's say you just started, you don't have anything plan, then you need to think about creating content. And the best thing to do is creating evergreen content for your blog, or even if you have an e-shop, it's the same thing. You need to connect your e-shop with your evergreen content, and then you need to think about how should I make money online faster than waiting for long, because it takes time to build an audience. You're not going to go straight away to have 1 million subscribers. That's not going to work straight away. So it's gonna take some time for you to grow your business. What you can do is obviously use affiliate marketing for passive income. You can use it on your blog post. You can use it on your email services, and make sure you're using the correct strategies in order to grow those affiliates and also monetize correctly, because you're not going to go and find 1 million of affiliate marketing services and just throw it out there and waiting for somebody to make money. You are going to have a plan. So the best thing to do is creating content in relation to what you're trying to sell, or in relation to your obviously services. If you don't have a service, again, think about having a service online. What are you good at? What you are what is the problem you try to solve? What is your audiences want from you? Or think about who are your audiences in a way to grow your business. I mean, it's always helpful to have a mini plan of how you're going to get some affiliate marketing. I mean, in terms of affiliates, if you want to get some passive income, then you're going to also focusing on YouTube as well, or on other platforms, but do it one at a time. You're going to do everything by yourself unless also you start recruiting people. So the best thing to do is recruit a couple of people to do a couple of things that you don't obviously know how to do. This is number 2, recruiting people. And remember that we talk about those things is we are business people, business owners. So as businesswomen, businessmen, we negotiate. So if you need help with something and you cannot pay, you'll always negotiate a better deal, better price. And I'm not talking about a course, because if you want to, for example, to buy a course, but you don't have the money that will help you with your business growth, then you need to think, oh, maybe I need to subscribe to this person's email and receive offers. So that's why, for example, we have subscribe to our services or to your services. So you need to think how you are going to get what you want. And also, for example, what I do in terms of my clients on Pinterest when I manage their services, or in general for my products, is to have a plan, to create a formula on growing the business by having the right content, and they put it out there and they get some money, because you are going to get money from affiliate marketing faster than, you know, some other AdSense or whatever. Is also a secure way, and it's an ethical way of making money before, you know, you sell your course if you're a digital creator like me, or, you know, before you offer services and you just starting on internet and, you know, you don't have no audiences. It takes some time to have a plan, you know, to reach your audience. And this is what I do, and I help my clients who are always, you know, rushing and they want everything to be done straight away. That's not going to happen, because you are going to make mistakes, and everybody's going to make mistakes, but we are correcting and we're moving on. Any mistakes that you do, you're correcting and moving on, and then, you know, you earn more income, because this is how you're going to learn. So if you don't have, for example, you have your services, or you don't know what to services to offer to people, what you're good at, you know, just think about what you can offer to make some money, and then go, you know, as I say, the Pinterest affiliate, not Pinterest, but I mean general affiliate marketing is a very good way to make money. And then from there, think how obviously you're gonna get a regular income by having a traffic, because without traffic you cannot get any money in. And this is what I advise my customers to have a little plan before, you know, they're starting anything, even if they're, you know, they want to have the keywords done for your blog, for, we talk about those things, for anything you write, for your e-shop, mini, you know, buckets with the products, or even if you have, again, an e-shop and you want to sell it, you need to start with the relevant keywords into your website and then work from there. And think, if you advertise, where you're going to advertise. If you don't have the money, start with, you know, organic reach, again, by, you know, offering a solution to your customers' problems, and that is the way you're going to attract the right people. There is no point, for example, going on Instagram, following everyone. There's no point of going here and there and doing the wrong thing, or jumping or stressing and say, oh, you know, I want a million followers, or I want a million subscribers. It's not going to happen. You're working on it as you're working on your WordPress website, for instance, or on your courses. And I'm telling you, I'm selling courses as well. It takes time to create a course, and then also you create the right, you know, the pages and the landing pages and all the things to sell it correctly. This is a different plan. But even if you don't sell a course and you have products, that is, you know, a key to success. You create your services, and then you have to put it out there on your website, and have it done in such a way to have the good sales page in order to sell the course, to make it attractive, if you know what I mean, or the product as well. And also, you need to remember from now on, in terms of we're in August, so you need to prepare for, we have Halloween first, yes, then we have the Black Friday, and then we have Christmas. So you need to start planning your promotions and have a plan of how to attract more email subscribers, and then sell an offer from there. If you are new, again, maybe you need to run webinars online. You know, you need to make yourself a little bit more visible. You need to have a visibility strategy. You know how to expose yourself, connect with people, connect with your audience, leave comments on people's you know, feed on Instagram or on Twitter. Keep it all, you know, short. This is a small tips that you need to do in order, you know, to make some money, in order to grow a sustainable income from online. But even if online or offline, this is the way to do it. I mean, we're not going to talk about collaborations today. We do it in a different video, but this is the correct way of doing it. Don't forget that we are all of us here together, and we're all of us doing the same thing. All of us make money, but that's how I do it with my customers, and it's always working. Big patience, you know, have a lot of patience, and be consistent. That's another thing you need to remember. Be consistent and grow the correct following and the right audiences is very, very important. So thank you very much, and I'll leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.